Good morning, students, and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself, Anjana Dikshit from New Area, Senior Wing. Children, this video is for class 6, 7 and 8. And our topic in writing section is email. Now children, what is email? Email is what? Electronic media. Electronic mail is a method of exchanging messages between people using electronic devices. Email enters limited use in the 1960s, but users could only send to the user of the same computer, and some early email system required the author and the recipient to both be online simultaneously, similar to instant messaging. Now children, as you have read in letters are of two types, formal and informal. Same email is what? It is a type of letter only. Only the difference is that it is sent through mail, through electronic media, through electronic mail. Clear? So as letters are of two types, similarly email is also of three types: semi-formal email, formal email and informal email. Clear? Email writing format. The email writing format is the same for each of the categories, though the choice of the words and language differ depending upon the type of email. One can use friendly and casual language in informal letter. The language used in formal email should be professional, clear and formal. The email writing format is very simple. Okay, I'll give you the format. Now, there are 5 elements to consider when formatting your email. Okay, first is what? Subject line. This is a short phrase that summarizes the reason for your message or goal for your communication. It is important to include a subject line when sending a professional email, so your audience knows exactly what to expect and is able to locate the message easily if needed. Then is salutation. This is the first line of your email and generally acts as the greeting. For example, hi, myself Simon. Then is what? Body. You have written in letters also, so body is written in email also. Just like the body of the letter, this is where you will share your full message. For example, thank you for attending the new product presentation this afternoon. I have attached a video file of the full recording so you can share it with your team. Please let me know if you have any questions. After writing the body, what you have to write? Closing. You have to close the email. This is the last line of your email before your signature and should wrap up your message. This is also where you may reiterate any request you have made in the body of your message. For example, I look forward to speaking with you on Wednesday. Thanks again. Then last is what? Signature. You will put your signature. The signature is where you identify yourself by what? Name, title or any other formation relevant to your communication. Most of email programs allow you to send a fixed signature that is automatically added to the end of every email you send. For example, sincerely, Challenge Jones, Senior Software Engineer, ABC Company, etc. Now, in order to write attractive email, there are a few points, few tips which you should take care of, which you should always keep in your mind. Write a meaningful subject line. Okay? The subject line should be very meaningful. Keep the message focused. Third is avoid attachments. Fourth, identify yourself clearly. Fifth, be kind, don't flame. Sixth, proofread. Seventh, don't assume privacy. Eighth, distinguish between formal and informal situations. Ninth, respond promptly. 10th, show respect and restraint. Now this is what electronic is. So here, now letters are very rarely seen. Everything is sent through mail. So email writing for any government department, school authority, company or any officers are the formal emails. Okay, as in letters you have read that letters which are written to school, offices are all what? Formal. Same these type of email are what? Formal emails. Use of polite and formal words. The reason for writing email. Clearly, proper greeting and closing are some of the rules of formal email. Now, what is the advantage of writing email? The very important and first point is the value of writing email is that an email is cheaper and faster than a letter. The time you send email, the receiver will receive it just after one click. It does not shout its arrival like telephone calls, or doesn't it demand immediate attention. All that you need to work on to send and receive message is your keyboard, your computer and internet equipments. Sending and receiving messages is almost instantaneous. A single message can be simultaneously sent to several people. Suppose you are writing a letter, it will be sent only to one person, but email can be sent to many persons at one click. Okay? Then guidelines for writing effective emails. There is no need to write postal address and date while writing email. The main message of the subject is given in the subject only. For what purpose you are writing, that is given in the subject. We can start the email with hello, hi, like that. The message in email is always written very short and up to the point. The message in the email is divided into paragraphs. Only bullets may be used to highlight some lines. Formal ending, as you write in letters, these are avoided in these emails. Okay? There is no need to write formal endings such as your sincerely, your obediently. All these are not written in email. Then how we'll end the email? We can end the email just by writing our names. Clear, students? That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.